In today's episode, let's prepare something that I'm pretty sure you're going to love it once you try it out. With me here, I have my list of 3 ingredients, and I have some bread, I have some oregano, and I have some margarine, but you can also use butter. And without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to start by spreading some margarine on my bread. You can do it how you like it. If you like it on both sides, well and good, do that. And if at all you like it more than I do, you can feel free to add more. And this is something that you can enjoy for breakfast instead of having some plain bread alone. You can try this recipe like that. And finally, like that. You can also have this as a snack. Then I'll take a plate and spread some oregano. And if at all you do not have some oregano, you can also use some sesame seeds, and I really love the sesame seeds as well as the oregano because inakwanga na kachumvi kengine katamu hapo. And by the way, in the meantime, my oven is preheating at 180 degrees. If at all you do not have an oven, I have the same recipe using a pan. I'm going to link it at the end of this video. You can check it out. And yeah, so this is what we have. And as I promised you, this is going to be a very short episode that you're mostly definitely going to enjoy. So I'm going to bake this in an oven that has been preheating at 180 degrees for about 3 to 5 minutes or till your preferred goldenness. And as you've seen, it was that easy preparing this recipe, and I've served mine with some black tea, and you can also see the beautiful color, the beautiful golden color that we have. That looks beautiful, right? So it's time to give this a taste test. I'm pretty sure you've had the crunch, and yeah, that's what you want. This is such a legit recipe. You do not need any drink for this. You can just have this as a snack. And that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.